AGI stock is in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. So to its 40, 21, and 10-day moving averages. The stock printed an intraday high, and also a 52-week high of around $29.99 as of Friday, the 11th of April 2025. And the day before, on the 10th, it equally printed a 52-week high as well. So the stock appears to be one of the most stable investments globally, one of the most stable stocks globally. It's a Canadian gold mining stock. It appears to be one of the most stable, and if you like, surely and easily one of the most attractive stocks. So a lot of mining stocks, and especially the gold mining stocks, are looking really attractive right now. So it's currently not being affected that much by the global tariff and rebalancing issues that the world is facing. And some might say there's a prospect of a recession, but it's not really faced about that. And indeed, at some point, there was a pullback here, and it got support from its 40-day moving average. I think what was happening, I'm suspecting, is that I really can't say, but if I noticed that gold, for instance, after the April 9th change of mind from Trump, gold dipped. What happened was because investors were, taking profits from gold so that they can cover the margin calls that they had in the broader market, the broader equity market. I can't exactly say what is behind this pullback, but in any case, as things stand right now, we have a couple of projections. There are no upper projections, it seems. No, okay. There are a couple of projections here. There are projections. Sorry, there are upper projections. We have 30.79, not far from where it is now, 32.04. But there are also downward projections that were in place or are in place now. We have 28.74 is not in play at the moment. 28.78 is a downward projection. It is in play. Then we have 25.09. We have 24.23. We have 23.76. And also there was 24.1 and 22.70. So strength is expected to remain in place up till the momentum is expected to remain strong up till Thursday the 24th. But after that, it will decline somewhat. But the extrapolation of its 10 and 21-day moving averages is to the upside at various times with diminished momentum. So let's have a look at its weekly chart and see what's going on there. On the weekly chart, let's see. On the weekly chart, extrapolation to the upside as well. Let's see what the projections are saying. No upper projection, rather, there's a downward projection of 32.69. Momentum is expected to remain strong up till Monday the 5th of May. But after that, it will collapse. But it doesn't mean that the extrapolation is wrong. It's just that the angle of attack would not be as it is after it will begin to decline it will moderate. The angle of attack will no longer be as steep as it is from now on. The angle of attack wouldn't be as steep as it is from now. Okay, so let's have a look at the monthly chart. It may give us an indication of what a trading range may be over the next couple of months. Okay, let's see. Yeah, still you can see very steep angle of attack here on the price chart on the monthly chart. So no upper projections here, 23.35. Okay, so let's see whether we can. Let's see whether we can add a few indicators here. Yeah, just bear with me. I'll add an indicator that's going to show us the that's going to show us the trading range we want to look at. Let's see, trading range. Okay, this is the one, but I have to remove one because I'm limited to only five. I move this, and then I add that one. Okay, let's see. Web daily projections. Yeah, market grid. Yeah, so this is the market grid. It's going to tell us the trading range. What the trading range for the month is for the whole of for the whole of April. And let's come down here and have a look. Okay, it's between 30.26 and 23.22. So it's indicating that if it gets to 30.26, you sell. It's advisable that you sell. Maybe wait for another opportunity to come back in. And then if it's drops below, if it's getting towards 23.22, you should have also sold as well. Yeah, I should have. But if it's getting towards 23.22, you should have also sold. As a matter of fact, so 23.22 is the point where you should be coming back into the stock. You should be coming back into the stock. So right now we're gradually approaching the point. This is based on the logic. This is based on the reasoning of the algos we have on this stock. So after 30.26, you should be exiting and maybe wait for a good entry opportunity. Yeah. So strongly bullish. AGI stock, one of the most stable investments, one of the most stable stocks out there globally, as a matter of fact. Especially for investors in Canada and in the US. It's a gold mining stock, and a lot of gold mining stocks are stable right now. We could just quickly have a look at Barrick Gold. Yeah, let's see. Okay, yeah. Unfortunately, Barrick Gold doesn't look that attractive. Doesn't look. Unfortunately, yeah, that's not the case with Barrick Gold. Yeah, yeah. Okay, well, on the daily charts, um, it's 200 day. It's the underlying trend is a bullish one, but not on its weekly chart. So see what you make of AGI, and thank you very much for watching this video.